This is how you're going to get Hostinger VPS Game Panel at best price and value. So first step is you're going to visit Hostinger and then go to VPS/game server plans, or you can just head over to just VPS game server, and then from here you're going to compare RAM, CPU, storage, and bandwidth. You're gonna have to pick a plan with enough RAM for your game server. So 4 GB or 4 GB is actually typical for small public servers. You can also look for the one that has the that costs the least. So you can see here that most of their plans actually have these discounts. Like you can see this is 74% off, this is 65% off, and this is 64% off, which is actually considered really big already. So from here you can already see that you can get 24 months for only $119.76 dollars. Now from there you can just click on choose plan, and then you will be able to choose this plan and get this 64% off discount. Now another thing that you can do is you can also look for promotions from some other sites. Like you can have discount codes, promo codes, like for 24-month or 12-month discount. So longer terms usually give the best price per month, but again, like I said, Hostinger already has that. So as you can see here, I saved 12,960 pesos for 24 months already. That is actually a very huge thing. So you can see that from 20,136, I only get to purchase this for only 7,176 pesos, but I think that is actually a really good deal. Now in order for you to get this, you're gonna have to make sure that you purchase this or the VPS and open panel from the VPS dashboard as well. Now from here you can see the game panel one. You're going to just click on the period, and then you will see here several months, and then of course it changes. The number of discounts that you get will change depending on what type of plan you're going to get. So for a period of 12 months, it's only you can only save for 6,000 pesos. For a period of 1 month, for some reason it is actually very rare to get discounts for 1 month, but as you can see, the discount is not very huge. So what I suggest is you get to 24 months immediately so that you get the most of your discount. And that's it. After that, once it is downloaded and once you have purchased it, you can just activate it or configure server resources, slots, and backups, and test with a small player discount before scaling. But before that, just a little take note that you can also have a coupon code, or you can also apply a coupon code apart from the discount that you're already going to get from Hostinger. So I think that is actually a really huge deal. So you're just going to click on have a coupon code right here, and then enter the coupon code that you found. So like I said, you can find another reward or discount from another website like this. So most of them are actually found from Reddit or other websites, and that's it. After that, you now have gotten a Hostinger VPS Game Panel at the best price and value. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.